Ram Hurricane motor, the 6-cylinder. What is the actual story on the Hurricane motor? Is it actually a bad engine, or was it just bad timing and a bad move on Ram's part? Hurricane motor, this is what's crazy. On paper, it beats out the 5.7 Hemi in really every category. More horsepower, more torque, better fuel efficiency. It's going to tow better than a 5.7 Hemi. Standard output Hurricane motor does 420 horsepower, 469 pound-foot of torque. The high output motor, which they put on the Ram RHO, the Tungsten Edition, their highest trim options, that engine puts out 540 horsepower, 521 pound-foot of torque. That is insanity. That high output motor, they made it to replace the TRX. And now I guess they're coming back out with the TRX too, right? So that didn't work out for them. But again, this engine is not a crap engine. It was over-engineered. It has more forged components on it than the 3.5 EcoBoost does in the Ford. What is the difference? It's what is tried and true. The 5.7 Hemi, 23 years it's been around. People are comfortable with that motor. They're comfortable with a naturally aspirated V8. They're not as confident in a turbo motor. This has more components on it than a 5.7 Hemi. It's got twin turbos. It's got a lot of extra things going on, but it doesn't have as much as the 3.5 EcoBoost. It's not quite as complex as the 3.5 EcoBoost. But again, the 3.5 EcoBoost has been around since 2011. It's tried and true. People know what that's gonna do at 150, 200,000 miles. This Ram Hurricane motor, 2025, it's the first year they made it. It's more like a BMW than it is a pickup truck because of how they set up this motor. It handles amazing, it drives amazing, but when you look at the pickup truck buyers in the US, all of you guys that are subscribed to this channel, that watch this channel, we all want what we know we can trust. We want what sounds and feels like a pickup truck. What is American muscle? It is a good old V8. It is starting something up that sounds like you got something under the hood. This motor doesn't scratch that itch. The 3.5 EcoBoost sounds more aggressive than the Ram Hurricane motor, and that's kind of sad. What does the Hurricane motor's towing look like? Well, first off, any manufacturer, when they first come out with an engine, when they first bring something into production, they are going to be more conservative with towing numbers than they will be down the road, right? Because they want to give it time, they want to see how it actually performs, how it actually does towing. This, I think, max towing on the Hurricane motor is like 11,550 is max towing. 5.7 Hemi, max tow ratings are 12,750. Hurricane motor is going to be what they're putting in the higher trim trucks. It's not going to come on your base work truck like a 5.7 Hemi. The Hurricane motor isn't necessarily coming on a two-wheel drive model. That's where your highest tow rating is because it has the highest payload. You know, basically the truck weighs the least. I mean, again, horsepower and torque, that's what's factoring into that. All right, so reliability, is there any major engine transmission issues with this truck, with the Hurricane motor? There isn't. But again, they just came out in 2025. There's not any out there that have a ton of miles on them. The only really big issue that's floating around is a thermostat issue, and that is check engine lights, overheating concerns. You know, that again plays into any issue with the thermostat. Guys are saying, you know, it's 10 to 30,000 miles. Guys are experiencing this. That seems to be related to a plastic component in the thermostat assembly. There's probably a simple fix to it. Doesn't sound like it's a huge issue, but it is something that's acting up in these trucks. On a new motor, they're always gonna have something that they have to tweak. So if that's the biggest issue they have, heck, the Hurricane motor 5 years from now could end up being the best motor that Ram ever built. We just don't know that yet. That's the biggest thing that guys are worried about with any new motor, because I'll be honest, there's guys out there that absolutely love this motor. Why wouldn't you? I mean, horsepower, torque, fuel economy, it's sweet. It drives, it handles well, it performs well, but it doesn't sound like a pickup truck, which again, Ram said, hey, Ford's doing it with the EcoBoost. They're actually killing it with the EcoBoost. We're gonna do this too with the Hurricane motor. Ford and their 5.0 V8. Right now, it's the hottest engine in a pickup truck on the market. 5.0 V8, everybody's raving about it. They're doing thousands more. Heck, I can't even touch them at the flipping auctions because that's the engine everybody's overpaying for right now. 5.7 Hemi, similar thing, right? Tell truck guys that they can't buy that engine anymore. Look at a 5.9 Cummins. Look at the 7.3 Power Stroke. You know, look at any engine they stop making. You can't buy this anymore. They're gonna be like, yeah, we can. We're gonna do what we want. Let's remote start this thing, see if this thing's got a rumble. This is like, it doesn't sound terrible. It also doesn't sound that great. Kind of reminds me of like a Honda Civic Si, if I'm being completely honest. I'm gonna get in this thing and rev it because I wanna hear what it sounds like. That right there single-handedly is why I would not buy a Hurricane motor. Like, yeah, I'm gonna be careful on what I say right now. The exhaust note on that truck is incredibly pathetic. If I had a 5.7 Hemi parked here right now, like heck, I do right there. There's a gray truck is a 5.7 Hemi. We traded that truck. The guy did something to the exhaust, but it sounds mean. It sounds like a Ram pickup truck's supposed to sound. Ram had, what did they make? The Pentastar V6. They're just their regular V6 motor. This truck doesn't sound any better than a regular V6 truck. Like just a base 6-cylinder truck. Ram has to remember who buys pickup trucks. It's not the guy that goes out and buys a BMW, right? It's not the guy that goes out and buys a Chevy Colorado. Hurricane motor, is it as bad as it's cracked up to be? No, I don't think it is at all. It actually sounds like and looks like it could be a very good motor for Ram, but it doesn't sound good. It doesn't scratch the itch, and Ram went about it all wrong. If you truly want to be the #1 selling pickup truck, you got to give your buyer options. You got to say, hey, we got V8, we got a V8 option, we got a 6-cylinder turbo option. Heck, Ford's got, you know, 2 turbo options. That's what you got to do, because there's some guys that do not care how the truck sounds if it's got the right look and it's got the right equipment. But then there is some guys that are saying, hey, if I'm buying an expensive pickup truck, I'm gonna be picky. And will a guy buy a loaded up Ram with this motor over a loaded up GM with a 6.2 that sounds mean? Tell me what you think. Ram Hurricane motor, do you like it? Do you not? You buying a 5.7 Hemi over this, or are you gonna try this truck out? You gonna try this Hurricane motor out? If you wanna try it out, I just traded this one in. 2026 Ram 1500 Hurricane Bighorn Edition, up for sale, low 50s, right? 1,500 miles on the truck. Absolutely no issues. He just wanted something different. Again, guys, you appreciate honest truck reviews like this. Be sure to hit subscribe for more videos coming your way.